Hi, my name is Roland Parker and I'm the owner of Impress Computers. Impress Computers has been supporting businesses in the Houston and Katy area since 2003. One of the things that we specialize in is monitoring and maintaining those companies' networks. So we proactively go through and fix issues before they become a problem. We get alerts when hard drives are failing, processors are overheating, or if somebody's trying to hack into the system. By proactively doing that maintenance, we can actually prevent your systems from going down. So not only will you have less downtime, you'll also have less slow time, keeping the machines running fast and quick. One of the other things that differentiates us from our competition is that we actually come on site and do that quarterly scheduled maintenance, where we're physically going to open up the machines, blow out the dust. That ensures that the machines will last longer and they're going to run quicker as well. Many of our competition have actually stopped doing that, and that's the one thing that we really specialize in doing that goes above and beyond what other IT firms are doing. You'll notice that on the drive that we've supplied, we've got a couple of useful tools that you can look at. These are things like hard drive tests, speed tests, as well as some sample reports that we provide to our customers, giving them peace of mind knowing that their computers are going to be running correctly now and into the future. If you've got any questions whatsoever, contact me or one of my team at 281-647-9977.